Hi everyone and welcome back to the next diecast. In today's video I'll be unboxing this 1/18 scale Saleen S7 made by Motormax. I got this model off of eBay for $20. I thought that was a pretty good deal. It was actually the cheapest one I could find on there, still in its box and in the color orange. You'll see here that in the box there is all this like kind of sealed air. And as I take it out, you'll see it's just kind of one gigantic piece. It's like an accordion of sealed airbags. So that was kind of a bit of a chore to get out of there. But I like to see that. It means the model was well protected when it was sent to me. So that's always nice to see that. You'll see the box is actually wrapped up in 2 pieces of cardboard and some rubber bands. So once I removed that box, I cut off the bands. And now for the big unveiling. There we go. There's our model, the S7. Love this orange. It looks really, really cool. Kind of a ratty looking box, but I expected that. The model's a little bit dirty too, as you'll see later once I get it out of the box. So there's the S7 on the base there. Then you have typical blue box that Motormax was putting out in the mid-2000s. This model was actually made, I think, in 2004, 2005. So you open it up from the end like you would on any other box. I got the base pulled out, and there's our model. Just have to get it unscrewed from its base and take off the shipping straps and give it a nice thorough cleaning. All right, got it unscrewed. You can already see the dirt that's on these tires on here. This model was probably stored maybe out in a garage or outside somewhere, so I ended up cleaning it up with soap and water, and I'll show a little bit of footage of that later on here. But first I had to get off the shipping straps. Only the doors in the rear trunk were held shut. The model does have a front trunk, but it was actually not held shut, which was odd to see. So I took that off. And here it is after I gave it a thorough cleaning. You can see it's already shinier and the windows are less fogged up. I used this old handkerchief that I had to just get rid of the excess dust that was left over from after I washed it. But look at all that dirt. That was all on this model. So despite the fact the model was still in its box, dirt still got in there. And here I am attempting to scrub the wheels once I clean the body up. So I just used a standard, scrubbing brush, and I kind of spun the tires. And here's our model. A couple weeks later after it was cleaned. You have the opening doors, of course, those gullwing doors, opening rear trunk, and the opening front trunk. Looks like a really, really cool model. I'm looking forward to reviewing this. Thanks for watching.